Sorry guys, might have misled you, thinking that TSP was the best cleaner, but I think we got a new contender, new winner on the best cleaner, and I think it's gonna be Greased Lightning. Got a whole 5-gallon bucket here, or container. Greased Lightning stuff is amazing. I don't know if you guys know much about nicotine stains and stuff like that, but I mean, it's almost impossible, or damn near impossible, to get off. And well, not anymore. Got a smaller bottle here. Picked up this guy here for $34 and some change at the Home Depot, and must be kind of popular. They only had a couple in stock, but you know, you see these stains here? Watch them. This is just a fine little mist here, but I mean, this stuff is amazing. Clean rag, kinda, on one side in here, but it's just dripping, dude. It's just running. Look. Now wipe it away, and it's just all that nicotine and tar just melts. And if you guys are painters, already know that this stuff will bleed through. You know, it doesn't matter if you use Kills or anything like that. You know, it bleeds right through it. You know, you keep putting on layer after layer of paint, you know, coats upon coats, and this shit still just does not break down, you know. TSP, I thought was the best thing to use for it, but man, was I wrong. And I actually came upon this on accident when my buddy, he's like, well, let me try some Easy Off. So he tried the Easy Off, you know. Easy Off didn't do shite, you know. I mean, this is what the Easy Off did right here. Just made a mess, you know. Just made a mess. That's all it did. But you hit that with the, you know, a couple times with the, Greased Lightning. And this stuff, dude, just like wipes clean. This is a white fridge, dude. You would have never known it. But this was a white fridge before this, you know? And it's amazing. I mean, this stuff is like, I don't know what's in it. I should probably be wearing gloves. But this is just to show you guys, like, I mean, it's nothing. I'm hardly even having to work it, you know? Obviously, I'm having to get every, inch of the fridge, but I mean, it's just coming right up, dude. It's amazing. I mean, that's gnarly. I mean, this is the residue that after my buddy sprayed it, you know, it just took it right off. I mean, this is a little probably grease, you know, because it's sitting next to the oven, but I mean, hell, this is just, it's amazing. I mean, this is gnarly, dude. This is 25 years of smoking in this apartment, and I think I'll have it done and ready by the 1st. Today's the 28th. We got 31 days in this month. I think I'm gonna make my deadline. So it's pretty amazing. I mean, you see the windows. That's TSP right there. That's the TSP. That's what the TSP did. Took some, the staining down and made a little bit of a mess that I gotta come back and clean up. But it's just absolutely amazing. Let's spray that. I already hit that with the TSP. I'm gonna hit it with this Greased Lightning. I'm not getting paid for this, but well, I'm getting paid to work. Yeah, I'm getting paid to make my deadline. And thanks to this stuff, man. I mean, it's gonna happen. Like I said, bought this big guy for $34. I mean, it's amazing, dude. Look at it, just running down there. I mean, just takes it up, dude. Like, this is a miracle. I mean, this stuff is, dude, it's amazing. I mean, there's nothing, I can't explain it any more than that. You know, I got a good friend that she's a professional cleaner, and she don't have this in her, in her cart. See, look at that. That floor is white, dude. Underneath all that, it's white. This guy was pretty clean for the most part, but he didn't know about no grease lightning. That's for damn sure. But he was a smoker. Smoked in this apartment 25 years. And just made a mess out of it. Here I go. Look at that. Look at that. It's just one wipe. I barely even let it sit on there, I'm gonna have this whole wall done. I'm just wiping it with a paper towel. I'm gonna bust out the wide mop here in a minute and really get some stuff done, but I just wanted to show you guys this. I mean, look at this, dude. It's amazing. I mean, I'm gonna work myself out of a job here. It's pretty damn amazing. I mean, see, this is all dry now, right? Let's spray this down from the fridge. I want you guys just to watch it melt. Just instantly. Just melting. Years and years and years of tobacco smoke, tar, nicotine. I hate to see what this guy's lungs look like. I don't think he died of lung cancer or anything like that. Not sure what he passed away of. He did pass away, unfortunately. But man, look at that, dude. Look at that. I mean, that is amazing. Just runs right on down. And they just keep collecting, getting darker. Darker and darker and darker. Spray some more on it. Thought I was gonna have to replace this fridge. I'm probably gonna have to paint a little bit of it. Once I'm all done here spraying it, it collects all the look at that. It just breaks it right down. I mean, this is a godsend. I thought I was gonna be here for at least a week. I mean, with TSP I would have been in the wall. The walls wouldn't have taken no paint until it's all cleaned up. But here I am, just wiping it down. I mean, look at that, dude. Look at that. That's beautiful. I mean, where has this stuff been? I never knew about this stuff before. And this is the classic stuff. So I gotta look up and see what other products they make, because this is just this is a blessing right here. Look at that. I mean, this is right there on the floor, and I'm gonna bust out that mop and clean right up, dude. I better go get some gloves up. But look at that. If you guys haven't tried this yet, you guys don't know about this, go out, get yourself a bottle. You're not gonna worry, you're not gonna go back to anything else, I don't think. If you guys know of a better cleaner out there, fill me in, help me out. I'm doing this video to help you guys out. If you didn't know about this, if you ever have to do a job like this, if you've done any jobs like this, how stressful it could be, how much work it takes to get built up nicotine off the wall, off the paint, I mean, I don't even know if I'm gonna have to primer this. I mean, I guess I'll find out. I'll let you guys know. So, if you guys, learn anything from this or this benefits you guys, like and subscribe, please. And help me out. I like to make videos like this, and I like sharing stuff like this with you guys. So, yeah, please like and subscribe. Catch y'all later.